Agonda beach issue matter came up before the court today. 2 or 3 things have happened today. As far as 67 show cause notices which were issued to the parties, hearings of those show cause notices will be preponed by the CRZ authority, on which day the CRZ authority will consider, based on the reply or based on the document which they will produce, as to whether they should be stopped with carrying out with the commercial activities that will happen. Secondly, as far as other structures are concerned, the CRZ authority will carry out an inspection within 1 week's time and submit a report to the court. Thirdly, as far as
Pollution.
the pollution control board is concerned, they are also going to pass appropriate orders in respect of structures who do not have any permission from the pollution control board.
Sir, there was also one suggestion made by the petitioner about the draft.
Yes, as far as that draft is concerned, the government has already issued a draft. The court wanted to know as to when a final notification will be issued, and we are supposed to take instructions from the government, and we are supposed to tell the court about the finalization of the notification giving protection to the turtle nesting sites.
What is that draft, sir? What?
That's actually a plan to protect these sites, and what measures are to be taken, what planning has to be done. All that is reflected in that, and that is a draft issued under the CRZ notification, which will have to be finally notified. So that is what the court has asked.
So next hearing is kept,
Next hearing is kept in the next week now by the court.
and the draft will be notified very soon.
No, we'll have to check with the government as to what is the plan of the government and what stage it has reached.
Because he said that it is been the draft is of 2020.
Yes, that is what he has said, but we'll have to take instructions and find out from the government.